Dear viewers, we have the problem period of cos of x plus 2x plus 3x plus so on plus nx is. So here this can be you write 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus, that means sum of first n terms. Sum of first n terms is n of n plus 1 by 2. So you can write cos of x plus 2x plus 3x plus so on plus nx. So this can be written as cos of n plus 1 into x by 2. Okay, all of you. What is the period of this one? This period 2 pi by, this is modulus n of n plus 1 by 2. So you can write this is 2 pi into 2 by n of n plus 1. 2 into 2, 4. So 4 pi by n of n plus 1. Okay, all of you. What is the period of this function? 4 pi by n of n plus 1 is the answer. So we have the option 2 is the answer. Okay, all of you. Dear viewers, we have the problem period of tan of x plus 4x plus 9x plus so on plus n square x. So here we can written as 1 plus 2 square, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square and so on n square is equal to n of n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. This is the formula, sum of squares of the numbers. So Sn is equal to sum of the squares of the number. So this can be written as tan of n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 into x. Generally tan Ax period is what? Tan Ax period is what? That is pi by module. We know this one. So similarly, but this period is what? Period is what? Pi by mod of n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Okay, all of you. So this can be written as, that is 6 pi by, that is n of n plus 1 into 2n plus 1. So we have the option 3 is the answer. Okay, all of you. That is. Here we have the problem. The period of cos of x plus x by 3 plus x by 3 square plus so on is. So here we have the progression 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 square plus so on. This is S infinitive. What is S infinitive? S infinitive is equal to A by 1 minus R if R less than 1. R greater than 1, we have R minus 1 is there. So here R less than 1. Here A is equal to T1 is equal to 1. T2 is equal to 1 by 3 implies R is equal to T2 by T1 is equal to 1 by 3 by 1. So is equal to 1 by 3. R value 1 by 3. A value 1. So what is S infinitive? S infinitive is equal to A 1 by 1 minus 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 2 by 3. This is 3 by 2. So what can we have to write? This is cos of x plus 1 by 3 square x plus 3x 1 by 3 square x plus so on is equal to cos of 3 by 2 into x. So what is the period? Period is 2 pi by, this is modulus 3 by 2 is equal to 2 pi into 2 by 3. This is 4 by 3. Okay, all of you. So option 4 is the answer. Here we have the problem period of 2 sin cube x minus 3 cos cube x is equal is. So you observe here sin power nx. Suppose you take sin power nx, n is even, then what is the period? Pi. Sin power nx, n is odd, then what is period? 2 pi. Similarly, cos power nx, n is even, then what is pi? So cos power nx, n is odd, then what is the period? 2 pi. So we have the given f of here, f of x period p, n into f of x period also p. Okay, all of you. So we have given f of x is equal to 2 sin cube x minus 3 cos cube x. This period is 2 pi and this period is 2 pi. So LCM of this 2 pi comma 2 pi is 2 pi. So we have the option 3 is the answer. So this period is 2 pi. Okay, all of you. That's all. We have the problem. Period of cos power 6x plus sin power 6x is. So here you take f of x is equal to cos power 6x plus sin power 6x. So this can be written as pi by 2 plus x is equal to cos of pi by 2 plus x whole power 6 plus sin of pi by 2 plus x whole power 6. Then f of pi by 2 plus x is equal to cos of pi by 2 plus x is minus sin x whole power 6 plus this is cos pi by 2 whole power pi by cos x whole power 6. So we have sin power 6x plus cos power 6. Why? Because here minus 1 power even. So this is plus. So f of pi by 2 plus x. So f of pi by 2 plus x is equal to f of x. So here pi by 2 is the period of f. Why? Because f of x plus p is equal to f of x. Formula satisfies this condition. So we say pi by 2 is the period of this function, given function cos power 6x plus sin power 6x. So we have the option 1 is the answer. Okay, all of you. Dear viewers, we have the problem. Period of sin x sin 120 degrees minus x sin 120 degrees plus x is. So we know the formula sin theta into sin 120 degrees minus theta into sin 120 degrees plus theta is equal to 1 by 4 into sin 3 theta. So we have to use this formula. Fx is equal to 1 by 4 into sin 3x. Here sin 3x period. So what is period here? This is in the form of sin ax is equal to 2 pi by mod a. This is the formula. So this period, so period of f of x is, what is 2 pi by mod 3 is equal to 2 pi by 3. So we have the option 2 is the answer. Okay, all of you. Dear viewers, we have the problem. F of x is equal to sin square of pi by 8 plus x by 2 minus sin square of pi by 8 minus x by 2. Then the period of f is trigonometry, periodicity and extreme values. Eamcet JEE mains. These are level 1 problems. Okay. So Here you observe here what given f of x is equal to sine square of pi by 8 plus x by 2 minus sine square of pi by 8 minus x by 2. You observe here a is equal to pi by 8 plus x by 2. B is equal to pi by 8 minus x by 2. What is a plus b? A plus b is equal to 2 into pi by 8. X by 2 minus x by 2. So is equal to pi by 4. What is a minus b? A minus b is equal to 2 into x by 2 is equal to x. Okay, all of you. This is in the form of sine square sine of a plus b into sine of a minus b is equal to sine square a minus sine square b form. This is in the form of sine square a minus sine square b. Then what is f of x? F of x is equal to sine of a plus b, that is sine of pi by 4, into sine of a minus b, that is sine x, is equal to this value 1 by root 2 into sine x. Then what is the period of this one? So period of f of x is equal to sine x period 2 pi, we know that. So we have the option 4 is the answer. Here something multiplication, real number multiplication is the function. So the period not changed. Okay, all of you. So we have to write the period of given function is 2 pi. So that's all. Dear viewers, we have the problem sine function whose period is 6 is, so sine pi by mod sine ax period is equal to what? 2 pi by mod a. So 2 pi by mod a is equal to 6 is given here. So from this 2 pi by 6 is equal to mod a. So this is implies pi by 3 is equal to a. A is equal to pi by 3. Then what is sine function? Sine ax, that is pi by 3 into x. So pi by 3 into x. This is equal to sine of, this is equal to sine pi x by 3 is the answer. So we have the option 2 is the answer. Okay, all of you. Here we have the cosecant function whose period is 4. So cosec ax period 2 pi by mod a. So 2 pi by mod a is equal to what? 4. So 2 2 ja. So a is equal to what? Pi by 2. Then you have to substitute here, that is cosec a, that is pi by 2 into x is the required function. So we have the option 4 is the answer. Okay, all of you. Dear viewers, we have the problem period of 2 sine 2x minus cos 2x is 2x by 7 cos x minus 8 cos x. So here numerator 2 sine 2x minus cos 2x. So this sine 2x period is what? This is 2 pi by 2 mod. So this cancel is equal to pi. Cos 2x period is what? 2 pi by 2 modulus. This cancel equal to pi. So LCM of pi comma pi is pi. Again denominator cos x, here 7 cos x minus 8 sin x. So HCF of cos x 2 pi, sin x 2 pi. This period 2 pi, this period 2 pi equal to 2 pi. Again you take LCM of this one and this one. So LCM of this is pi comma 2 pi is what? 2 pi. So we have the option 2 is the answer. Okay, all of you. First numerator LCM, denominator you take HCF, and then whole function period means that is LCM of numerator period and denominator period is 2 pi. That is the process. Okay, all of you. That's all. Here we have the problem, period of sin x plus a by cos x. So first you can expand this one. Sin of a plus b is equal to what? Sin of a plus b is equal to what? Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Okay, all of you. So numerator can be written as sin x into cos a plus cos x into sin a by denominator is cos x. Then what we will have? Sin x by cos x into cos a plus cos x into cos x by cos x into sin a. This one cancel. So this is tan x, cos a into tan x plus sin a. This is constant, this is constant. Then what is the tan x period? So this period is pi. This period is pi. So we have the option 2 is the answer. Okay, all of you. Dear viewers, we have the problem, period of sine of e power tan x plus e power cot x is. You observe here sine of e power tan x plus e power cot x. So here you take g of x is equal to e power tan x plus e power cot x. So means what? Tan x period pi, cot x period pi. So LCM of pi comma pi is pi. So g of x e power tan x plus e power cot x. So this entire period is pi. So here you see g of x period is pi. F of g of x period is also pi. Okay, all of you. So this entire, that means this f of g of x is equal to what? Sine of e power tan x plus e power cot x period is pi. So we have the option 2 is the answer. Okay, all of you. Dear viewers, we have the problem, the period of cos x into sine of pi by 4 minus x. So you have to expand this. This is in the form of sine of a minus b. That is sine pi by 4 into cos x minus cos pi by 4 into sin x. Okay, all of you. But sin pi by 4 value 1 by root 2, cos pi by 4 value 1 by root 2. So you have to common 1 by root 2. This is cos x minus sin x. You can multiply this one, 1 by root of cos square x minus sin x into cos x. You can multiply and divide with 2. Multiply and divide with 2. 2 root 2 into 2 cos square x minus 2 sin x into cos x. Okay, all of you. 1 by 2 root 2 of this value 1 plus cos 2x minus this value sin 2x. So we have the cos 2x. Here cos 2x period is 2 pi by 2 is equal to pi, and sin 2x Sine 2x period 2 pi by 2. This is pi. So LCM of pi comma pi is pi is the period. So we have the option 2 is the answer.